niacinamide, the secret ingredient for healthy and glowing skin. In this video, we will explore why niacinamide is a must-have in your skincare routine. Niacinamide, also known as vitamin B3, is a powerful ingredient that offers a wide range of benefits for your skin. It helps to regulate oil production, making it perfect for those with oily or combination skin. By controlling sebum production, niacinamide helps to minimize the appearance of pores and reduce breakouts. But that's not all. Niacinamide also has anti-inflammatory properties which can help to calm and soothe irritated skin. It can even help to reduce redness and blotchiness, giving you a more even complexion. Another amazing benefit of niacinamide is its ability to strengthen the skin's barrier. This means that it helps to lock in moisture and prevent water loss, keeping your skin hydrated and plump. It also helps to protect your skin from environmental damage, such as pollution and UV rays. If you struggle with hyperpigmentation or dark spots, niacinamide can be a game changer. It helps to inhibit the production of melanin, the pigment responsible for dark spots, resulting in a more even skin tone. So, how can you incorporate niacinamide into your skincare routine? It's simple. Look for products that contain niacinamide, such as serums, moisturizers, or even cleansers. Start by using it once a day and gradually increase the frequency as your skin adjusts. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to skincare. Give niacinamide some time to work its magic and you'll soon see the results. In conclusion, niacinamide is a must-have ingredient in your skincare routine. Its ability to regulate oil production, calm irritated skin, strengthen the skin's barrier, and fade dark spots makes it a true skincare superhero. So go ahead and give niacinamide a try. Your skin will thank you.